just going to do a short video on the Volkswagen Phaeton front axle or front subframe removal. So I've cleaned this one. When you take it off, you have to disconnect these. Always disconnect them so they don't get broken. And obviously it's quite simple. You've got one bolt there, one bolt there, one bolt there, and one bolt there. And this has to be removed when you take the engine out. You just put it to one side, because the engine is held up like in my previous videos. 3 bolts there, 3 bolts there, 3 there, and 3 there. Okay, I've cleaned in here with some brake cleaner, so the sensors pick up the bearing position good, both sides. Yeah, man, wish me luck. Looking forward to turning the key.